When it comes to simple and hygienic living, AGARO vacuum cleaners lead the way. AGARO Empire Bagless vacuum cleaner is lightweight and portable. It comes with wide range of accessories, including floor brush, multi-purpose brush, carpet brush, and crevice nozzle. The long hose along with the adjustable extension tube allows cleaning the high-placed surfaces. The machine is equipped with powerful cyclonic suction system, which accelerates air in the cyclonic chamber to separate out dust. The powerful swirling action maximizes airflow and performance for remarkable cleaning results. Moreover, the 2200 watts motor gives you a powerful suction pressure of 450 Airwatts. It quickly removes dirt from any kind of dry surface, leaving your interiors spotlessly clean. The machine comes with 3 liters bagless bin, which can be easily detached, and the dust can be emptied with ease. Cleaning the inner chamber is as easy as removing the filter and dipping inside the water. AGARO Bagless Vacuum Cleaner.